Hello and welcome to Online Q's, your YouTube channel for online queries. Now in this video I'll show you how you can clear Google search history from your browser. So on your browser you can click on this icon that you see on the top right corner of your screen. When you do that, a menu like this will pop open. So you go into history and then just click on history, and then the history tab will open like this. There's also a keyboard shortcut to open up your history tab, that is Control H from your Google Chrome browser. So the thing that you can do from the history tab is you can delete specified history searches on your Google Chrome browser, so you can search for it. For instance, if I only want to delete my Google browsing history from my browser, I would search for Google and then enter, and then this search results will appear. So the thing I would need to do is click next to the box to the search history, and then you can select whatever you want to delete and then click on delete and click on remove, and then it will remove the specific search history that you want to delete. Now if you want to delete the whole history because you think it's time to clear up the history from your browser, so you can click on clear browsing history. Now if you don't want any browser history, the best thing that you can do is use the incognito tab, which can be kind of from here, and then click on new incognito window that will not document any footsteps that you have made on the World Wide Web, that is not made any searches on your browser. It would not record anything and it will not pile up on your history list. So that is the best way to avoid history cuts on your browser. So back to browsing history, clearing browsing history. Now it will give you kind of choices to clear your browsing history. One is clear browsing history. I don't recommend cookies and other site data because cookies are the kind of files that you want to keep on your browser because it makes loading frequently used sites easier. For instance, Facebook, Gmail, and all the regular sites that you usually use on your computers. It's just storage and it doesn't take up much space on your computer as well. The only reason that you would want to clear the cookies from your browser is when websites kind of don't work properly on your browser. So that is when I recommend deleting those cookies. Now you can clear up the clear cache image and files because it's kind of cluttered up on your laptop and your computer, so you can delete this, and then after that click on clear data. Now there is the advanced option as well, you can do that as well. There are lots of options to be, so I'm going to show you again what the advanced option so when you do the advanced option of clearing browser history, you can delete almost everything: cookies, cached image, passwords, autofill data, content settings, hosted app data, media licenses. So it says it's not best recommend at all if you are not into that kind of privacy stuff. Advanced settings is for those people that are really want to clear everything out of their browser. So this is not really recommended. So this is how you have cleared Google search history from your browser. So You can basically do that on other browsers as well. For instance, if you have the Microsoft Edge, that is basically the one of the best browsers to be using on Microsoft, as this is an inbuilt browser. So you just go into a menu from the browser. I think this is very easy on any other browser. This kind of, is available on almost every browser. So you go into settings, and from settings you can kind of, choose what to clear, and then, it's just gonna appear like this. I haven't used this browser that much. Even though I haven't, I can still, clear it. And you can also kind of find clearing browser from your Firefox, Opera Mini, and all the other browsers will be kind of similar. So you just have to look for the menu and just go to settings and, clear browsing history and all that. And it's as easy as it can be on almost every browser. You can kind of clear every browsing history from your browser as easily like that. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our channel.